That's what you get. I know. Whatever, bro. We gotta save Owl Kid. But in order to do that, Shuddy, you gotta save every single missing kid. So it's time to expand this fire. This lousy Dino Kid is always getting captured, but it's a good thing we're here to save him. Here's the coal, Melon. You can fuel up the fire. I'll build us the map. Beautiful. Fires are leveled up. I got 2 wood in the crafting bench as well. Hey, Melon, my suspicions were correct. I thought the snow biome might be here because of the owl, and it is. Be careful, bro. That guy is crazy fast. Yeah, bro. Honestly, I think the owl entity is the most dangerous one. He's also the easiest one to avoid. If you just stand still, he won't get angry. But once you upset him, oh my goodness gracious me, he is a track star. You're right, Sonny. So we gotta not move, which is gonna be really hard for me because I'm always moving. Okay, I don't see why that's so hard. You literally are a crop that lives in the floor. It should be easy to stand still. Yes, but once I grew my legs, I vowed I would never stand still again. Okay, that's the first I'm hearing of it. Anyways, I picked up some chairs and I'm looting a chest. Let's see what we get here. Oh, fuel can. Real nice. Wait. Don't waste your fuel can. I got 2 pieces of coal here, which is just enough to level up the fire. Excellent work, Melon. Now I'm scrapping my materials and adding the fuel can. Boom, 48%. Sweet beans, Sonny. We should think about saving Dino Kid pretty soon. Yeah, but first, we need weapons. How many times am I gonna go over this with you, Melon? We can't be fighting those wolves unarmed. All right, fine. Let's find some spears and then murderize these wolves. I like the sound of that. Maybe I'll get a spear out of this chest right here. Come on, spear! I got a good axe, I'll take it. Hey, that's still a weapon upgrade. And I found myself another cabin with chairs. We have so much wood now. It's actually very clutch. You know what else is very clutch? The chest giving me a spear. And now I take the 3 chairs. I take the broken fans. Oh, there's coal here too, bro. I wish I had a good sack upgrade. Yeah, I wish I had that. Yeah, there's a lot of loot back here. Oh, I wish I had that too. I got some coal that I can't even carry. Yeah, there's a lot of loot I can't pick up. Oh, I got another good axe, bro. Are you serious? I wanted a good sack. You don't always get what you want, but sometimes you get strawberries. Yo, that's what I want. I'm scrapping these materials and I'm killing a rabbit. That way, as soon as the sun rises, which is right now, I can give the pelt trader a bunny foot. This is perfect. 1 bunny foot, 1 good sack. Appreciate ya, Buster. And I'll eat these morsels. And Melon, I am ready to save Dino Kid when you are. Wait, you have a weapon? I don't have a weapon. I have a spear, brother. I also got us a sundial and a compass because I'm the goat. Give me a second here. I need to hunt down some wolves and some bunnies. So maybe you should kill Dino Kid. That way you can get me a wolf pelt. First of all, I'm not killing Dino Kid. Secondly, this is a problem. His hideout's located in the winter biome. I knew this Owl Kid was a bad omen. I'm going in. 1 wolf down. 2. 3 of them dead. That's 4 wolves down. Last one, Melon. I'm cold, though. I'm freezing. I got this. Pick the lock, open the gate, and become a hero. Bro, did you get Dino Kid yet? What's taking so long? Yes, bro. I literally have him in my sack, and I'm returning to our campfire. I'm also bringing you food. You bring me a wolf pelt? Yeah, I have that, too. Oh, my goodness. I'm trying to get a bunny foot. I've killed so many bunnies, I didn't get it. And now I get a wolf pelt. That's not what I need. Here, I got you a bunny foot. Give me a second. Melon, do you want the bunny foot? I have it right here for you. Hey, yes, bring it to the pelt trader. And I'm using your wolf pelt. Thank you. Wait, you got me a wolf pelt, right? Yeah, I got another one in here. Oh, my goodness. Because I need this. I got a good sack now, and I've upgraded to a spear. So, we can save Kraken Kid. Excellent work, Melon. We are making some prompt upgrades. It won't be long now until we can save this Owl Kid. Now it's time for us to work together and destroy Kraken Kid. Stop talking about hurting the kids. We're there to save them. You know what I'm trying to say here. Stupid wolf, leave me alone. Looks like we got to expand the fire, though, Sonny. You can't yet make it to Kraken Kid. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick up fuel. We don't even need wood or scrap metal anymore. And now I get a spear. Are you serious? It do be like that sometimes. I'm getting a lot of coal, at least. Oh, yeah, more coal and some seeds. And more coal, bro. I think I can level up our fire. Let's see. Drop it all in there. And yeah, that's level 4. Nice, brother. Meet me at Kraken Kid's location. I am on the way. At sunrise, we strike. Well, it's sunrise. I'm just a little bit far, so give me more like, yeah, I'll be there at like 10 o'clock. It's too late. I'm striking, and I'm winning the war. Let's go. Backup's on the way. Let's take down this wolf. 1 more to go, Melon. Back me up. Kill it. Kill it. I got you. Let's go. That's another kid saved. Kraken Kid, come over here. That was really close. I almost died to a wild wolf. I mean, that would have been embarrassing. Go Don't you dare die. Wait, I've unlocked 3 spears now. This is insane.
Imagine if you could craft them.
A mega spear? That'd be awesome.
Yeah, that would be sweet. Craftable weapons. I hope they add that update.
Pretty sure they did, Sonny. Anywho, I'm dropping off Kraken Kid and a lot of meat. Here we go. Build your tent, buddy. Kraken Kid's officially built their tent, which means we can track down Squid Kid.
Excellent job, Melon. You might want to kill that wolf now.
Wolf was annoying as heck.
And I found 1 fuel canister. Let's see where we're at. We need a lot more.
Yep. Let's go grab some fuel and meet back up at the fire.
I think I should also kill some Arctic foxes, because we're gonna need some hats.
Good plan, brother. It's time to grind.
I'm on it. Arctic foxes are going down. Get over here. Now drop your pelt, please. Please. Yes, that's 1.
And yo, I have found so much fuel. I think I could level this fire up again. I already have a full sack of fuel. Let's go. Let's see what kind of work I can put in on this fire. Here we go. 15 pieces of fuel and level that fire up with some fuel remaining. I still have 3 fuel canisters.
Nice, bro. That is huge.
How's the Arctic fox hunt going?
Decently, decently. I need another drop here. Oh, come on. So far I have 3 pelts. We need 3 more for you.
Goodness, Sonny. You better get to grinding.
I'm trying my best here. It ain't easy.
I've got to go get myself a rifle. You won't stand any chance against the bears defending Koala Kid. And even Squid Kid with spears.
Yeah, we need upgrades. Maybe even some armor would be good. I don't want to die. Oh, where are the pelts? I got lucky earlier. Now I'm getting none. Melon, I found Squid Kid's bears by accident.
Taking them out?
Heck no. They're gonna kill me.
If I get a rifle of some sort, I'm gonna come over there and kill them.
Ooh, I got a gold chest. I'll take a rifle from it. Strong axe. It's still a good upgrade. Ooh, rifle. Ammo. Another fuel canister. I'm making some good progress.
Ooh, giant sack. I'm making some good progress.
Nice. I saw something up here that I need to get my hands on. There it is. A rifle plus some ammo.
Oh my goodness, Sonny. You can take out Squid Kid's bears.
I could do that, actually. And I got a giant sack.
Here's time to murderize those bears.
Well, Melon, my job was to get the pelts from the Arctic foxes.
Yeah, my job was to fuel the fire, which I already did.
Yeah, well, I'm fueling to level 6. How about that?
No, you're not. You don't have enough fuel for that.
Bro, I just found so much ammo and rifles if you want.
Where? I need it.
Just come to me on the mini-map. You're gonna be stacked.
Alright, I'm on the way.
Bruh, then I got more from this chest. This is crazy. I'm gonna take 2 of the ammos and leave the rest for you.
I'll be there shortly.
And you are absolutely correct. I will kill these bears. There's only 2 of them. I've got it under control. 1 down. And 2 bears eliminated. The threat has been removed.
So, Sonny, where were these rifles?
Bruh, I thought you looked on the minimap.
Hey, you were up here around all these chests. I don't know exactly where it was.
It was in the cultist tents. Ooh! You might not need a rifle anymore. We got a red chest down here to open.
Nice. You left an oil barrel behind over here, just so you know.
Whatever, I got Thorn's body. I don't need no oil.
Very unrelated, but I see where you're coming from.
Did you find the tent finally? I think you did. And you got a lot of wolves on you.
The heck, bro? I got a little Kraken Kid army on me right now.
Yeah, I'm dipping, bro. I'm heading back to the fire. We're gonna have cultists to kill there.
I'm getting this ruby chest. Please give me shotgun. Oh, I got a Thorn's body. I'll take it.
Oh no, Melon. I hear it. It's the owl.
I gotta move. All the last wolves were chasing me. Now the owl's on me, Sonny. He's so fast, you're right.
Yeah, and you don't want to run away from him. You're just gonna make him angrier.
I was actually saying he's so fast. Heal. Bro, I'm gonna go through all my bandages. This is crazy. He's scratching me up like nuts. I don't like this.
I got your back. Run to the light.
I don't have a flashlight or anything. Help me.
I got your back. This stinking owl's not scratching anybody's nuts.
Wait, what?
You said it scratched you and that it's nuts.
You said it scratched me like nuts. Like crazy.
Yeah, but he was really trying to scratch your nuts.
Oh, dear.
And he's gonna build his tent.
Yes. On another topic, Sonny. You think we have enough fuel to level this fire up?
Only one way to find out.
I think we do. Boom! And we have an extra fuel can.
Excellent work, Melon. Now we locate Koala Kid, and it's looking frosty again.
Yeah, he might be in the icy biome.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make myself a quick fox hat, and we probably need to farm you something else. Got it. My head is warm and cozy. Actually, there's a lot of foxes here. Let me kill them quick for you. That's 2 pelts already, Melon. I got you.
Thanks, big bro.
Can I get 3 in a row? That'd be crazy. Oh, that was clutch. Where are you?
My Koala Kid, bro. I'm working on these bears.
Okay, well, there are 3 Arctic fox pelts in the clothing hut.
Yes. Then I can make myself a hat. Sonny, we'll do that after I murderize all these bears.
Do you need help? was getting you a hat.
Whatever, bro. Help me out with these bears. There's too many of them.
I'm on the way. I will show you how to cook.
That was a good shot. You missed him.
Shut up. You weren't supposed to see that. I wasted my bullets.
You pick a bear, I'll get a bear.
Bears are done.
And this bear, I'm gonna spear with that. Easy.
Excellent. How many bears remain a threat?
I'm out of ammo, bro.
I think this is it.
Is that it? It better be, because I don't got any more ammo.
Yep, that was the last one. I'm running low on bullets as well.
We did it. We saved Koala Kid. Bruh, saving Owl Kid is gonna be no easy task.
Unless we get shotguns.
Absolutely right. We got a ruby chest here to open up.
Come on. Shotgun or kunai?
Oh no! That ain't good, bruh. I got another thorny body.
Well, maybe we can find another red chest in this cultist hideout. Come back me up.
Alright, let's take these cultists down.
Oh, I'm not even gonna fight them. I'm gonna ignore them.
Good call. Oh, there is a ruby chest! No way!
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I gotta kill this guy.
It's time to open up this chest. Come on. Please give me something good. I got another thorny body, bro. What is happening?
Well, on the bright side, I have another red chest on me.
For real right now?
Yeah, for real right now. And what do I get? I got kunais. That's better.
Yes. Give me this ruby chest. And I got a tactical shotgun. Finally.
All right, we are stacked up. And now I'm looting up the other chest. A riot shield. Hey, Melon, you want this?
Honestly, I'm okay, Sonny.
Yeah, that thing is buns. Well, I'm gonna head back to the campfire and warm up, and then it's time for us to track down Owl Kid.
Absolutely. I have a feeling Owl Kid is going to be in the snowy biome.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous about it. You're gonna need to make that fox hat so you don't freeze.
We'll do that in the morning. For now, we got to save Koala Kid.
Oh no, I gotta save myself. I'm literally starving. Let me eat this carrot. Now I cook this beef.
Okay, we're dropping him off. Here we go. Koala Kid.
Come on, build your tent. Build your tent. Yes, there it is. Which means we can see Owl Kid. Yo, his hat looks drippy.
It's time to save this missing child.
And their location is completely north. I don't think that's winter, is it?
Oh, I don't think it is, bro. I don't even need your hat.
This is crazy.
This is good for us, brother. We do not want to be freezing with the owl on the loose.
But Melon, this is a bad sign. If he lives at the North Pole and there's no snow, it means our world is being affected by global warming.
Oh no. Wait, this is a great thing. Then the forest will shrink and we'll finally be able to escape.
Yeah, sure. Totally. It's great. Pollution. Awesome. Oh wait, he's got Winterlands guarding him.
Oh, he's got polar bears galore. And he's also got cultists with rifles.
Those guys are super lethal, Melon. I'm taking them down kunai mode. Oh no, they're taking me down.
Be careful.
Yes, he dropped ammo. I need that. Oh, Melon, I didn't know my health was low. Heal me.
Gotcha, bro. I got med kits for days.
I zoned out and that guy sniped me.
They do a lot of... Dude, they kill you so fast. Oh my... They kill you in like 3 shots.
Yeah, I said they're dangerous, and then I died, and then you died. That's kind of messed up. Can I heal you?
So you're on.
Please. No, no, go too close. I got it. No!
Oh my goodness, these cultists are lethal.
Oh, Melon, I think I was about to hack the game and revive you while being dead, but it's okay.
Fine, Rob, back to normal. Be careful of those rifle cultists, Sonny. They are no joke. They're more dangerous than the polar bears.
Yeah, it's actually insane. They do, what, half of our health in one shot?
They kill you in 3 shots.
Oh no, night's approaching. This is bad.
Owl's gonna be on the loose. Sonny, we gotta lock in here.
We have 10 seconds before the owl arrives. At least kill the rifleman.
Trying to. There we go.
Dude, what the heck is that? Heal me, Melon. Heal me.
Bro, there was a rifle cultist in that bear.
That's how I died.
Got some bandages. Careful, it's nighttime. It's gonna be really dangerous.
I'm gonna grab these medkits. I need these. Can I interact with this stuff? Please, give me the medkits. Oh, thank goodness that guy died.
Are there any more rifle cultists? I think we killed them all.
That's it. That was the last enemy.
Let's go. There we go. Owl Kid's key.
We're actually doing this.
Just where is Owl Kid?
Is he up here? Melon, we gotta climb this big ladder.
For real?
He's up here in a huge treehouse. This is crazy. I guess it makes sense. It's just like Rainbow Friends. If you get captured by a flying beast like an owl, they bring you up high.
Yes. Into the nest of the owl we go to rescue the Owl Kid.
Excellent work. I'm gonna loot this chest though. I need a shotgun. Well, I got a chainsaw. Did you get anything cool from Owl Kid yet?
No, just got him.
Okay, let's put him at our base and see if he gives us any rewards.
Dude, that'd be awesome. Imagine he gives us wings and we can fly.
Bruh, I really hope so. Oh wait, Melon, I found something down here. It's called an ice crossbow.
Yo, what does it do?
I don't know, but it looks amazing and it has infinite ammo.
Try it on this alpha wolf.
Alright. Whoa!
Okay, 1 shot's an alpha wolf. Try it on this bear, Sonny.
Okay, we got a bear and shoot him. Headshot? Oh, it does a lot of damage if you do a headshot.
Bro, that's better than the tactical shotgun.
This thing is crazy. Look at this wolf over here. Oh, the arc is so much easier to control than a normal crossbow. I think I could just aim it at things. It shoots fast.
Yeah, I don't think there is an arc on that.
Oh my goodness, I'm lighting them up. Wait a second, Melon. After we save Owl Kid, why don't we try and defeat the owl entity?
Wait, you think that's actually possible?
I think with this ice crossbow, it will be.
Well, let's give it a shot. I'm dropping off Owl Kid right over here.
Come on, Owl Kid, build your stinking tent. Bruh, what is he doing? There we go. The missing Owl Kid has been rescued.
Now we wait for nighttime.
Melon, night has officially fallen. We must kill the owl.
I haven't even seen the owl in a while.
Yeah, where is this guy? Oh, there he is, Melon. He's right on you.
I didn't even move and he started attacking me.
This guy's messed up. I don't think we can kill him.
Back to a shotgun. Oh no, Sonny. And I'm trapped. Run for your life, Sonny. It's too late for me.
No, I'll save you, Melon.
Oh, that was actually easy.
Now this guy needs to die. Shoot him, Melon.
I am shooting him. It's not working, Sonny. Clearly.
We don't know that. Looks like he's dying to me.
No, he's definitely not dying. I'm dying.
Oh, we got him. Just be patient.
Wait, sir, this guy's alive.
Okay, we don't got it. We don't got it.
Bro, just run. We can't kill the owl. We saved his kid, though.
Well, it wasn't really his kid. It was a kid he kidnapped.
His name's Owl Kid. He's Owl's kid.
All right. Then doesn't that mean we just kidnapped him?
Maybe. But that doesn't matter. As long as all of you watching press that subscribe button.